Hey guys, welcome to the PC Tips Pro, and in today's video we are going to see how to show or hide a page last updated time in Google Sites. Before getting into the video, if you guys haven't yet subscribed to the PC Tips Pro, please do subscribe. And now let's get into the video. So here we are on the sites.google.com. If you want to learn more about Google Sites, you can just go to this. From the Google Sites tutorials playlist of PC Tips Pro, you can learn how to build your Google Sites website for free. So, getting back to our topic, we can create a Google Sites page website for free by going to this template gallery, and we can choose a template, or else we can start with a blank site. So, as of now, let us just choose one of these templates. Let's say that I'll go with this one. Once we are onto this, we can make changes to this and all. So now we'll see how to hide our last seen update, last updated time for this Google Sites. To do this, on the top right you can find the settings option. Click on the settings, and here you have all the options for the navigation, images, brand images, and viewer tools. So we need to go to this viewer tools, and here you can find this show page last updated time, which is enabled by default. If you don't want to show your page last updated time, you can disable this, and after this you can just click on the cross mark, and now you can exit it, and here you can see that our last updated time is hidden now. So once you disable this one, you can hide the last updated time of your Google Sites. This is all for this video, guys. I hope you found this video useful to you, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to PC Tips Pro, and hit on the bell icon so that you never miss an update from us. Thank you for watching.